Now in today's lecture we will discuss Lucas test. Now Lucas test, what is the purpose of Lucas test? Then Lucas test is used to detect type of alcohol. यानी हमें दिया गया alcohol primary, secondary or tertiary. What is the type? This we can detect with help of Lucas test. Now in Lucas test, whatever alcohol given to us, this alcohol is allowed to react with a concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Now this reaction is occur in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. So this concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous ZnCl2 is known as a Lucas reagent. Now we get this alkyl halide and we are getting a water molecules. Now if we are getting immediately oily drop on surface, if we get oily drop on surface, then we can say that the type of alcohol is a tertiary alcohol. If we are getting oily drops immediately on the surface by mixing of this reagent, then type of alcohol is tertiary alcohol. If solution become turbid, or we can say that solution become milky, or just it will be a turbid solutions, we can write it milky or turbid, then type of alcohol is a secondary alcohol. Or if solution remain transparent, we can say that solution remain transparent, solution जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा, then solution remain transparent, it means no color or no droplets, then type of alcohol is a primary alcohol. So what is the type of alcohol? This we can predict with help of Lucas test. The most important thing, किस तरह से reaction होती है, mechanism reaction की. Now it's quite easy thing and interesting thing, आपको मजा आएगा. अब हमें देखिए कि हमें दिया गया अल्कोहल है, ये प्राइमरी अल्कोहल है. So in a case, tertiary alcohol है. Now in tertiary alcohol, this oxygen having a non-bonding electron pair. Now in the presence of acid, ये oxygen अपने non-bonding electron pair देगा H को. So we are getting a oxonium ion. तो हमें ये tertiary alcohol का oxonium ion मिलेगा. OH2, अब यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन पर प्लस चार्ज और यहाँ ऑक्सीजन के पास एक ही नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है. अब कुछ ऐसा होगा, दिस ऑक्सोनियम आयन में से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा, द बेस्ट लिविंग ग्रुप इट विल एलिमिनेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर एंड वी गेट ए कार्बोकेटायन. तो चलो अब हमें कार्बोकेटायन मिल गया, ये टर्शरी कार्बोकेटायन है. Now whatever tertiary carbocation obtained to us, now in this, in our reaction medium, chloride ion is present or available. So this chloride will attack immediately on this tertiary carbocation and we get a alkyl halide, or we can get this tertiary alkyl chloride will be obtained. So this tertiary alkyl chloride obtained to us, अब ये वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं होता है, so it will be in the form of oily drop on the surface of test tube or beaker. So type of alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Now in a case of secondary alcohol, this reaction is slow. ये reaction fast है, लेकिन this reaction will be slow. So आपको पता है कि the stability of carbocation. Now this all thing is depending upon carbocation. So stability of tertiary carbocation is more. So tertiary carbocation can react very fast to give alkyl halide. Now in case of secondary carbocation, stability is less. So it take some time. Means after 5 minutes, solution will give a alkyl halide. So solution become turbid after 5 minutes. Then type of alcohol or carbocation is secondary. And primary carbocation. So primary carbocation react slowly or stability come hai. So this reaction will be given immediately by tertiary carbocation. Secondary carbocation or secondary alkyl halide will react with slowly and primary alcohol reaction does not take place. So very easy things. If you are getting immediately oily drops, then type of alcohol is tertiary alcohol. If solution become milky or turbid after few minutes or 5 minutes, then type of alcohol is a secondary alcohol. In a case of primary alcohol, reaction is difficult because stability of primary carbocation is lowest. So reaction will not occur or solution remain as it is and transparent. Then type of alcohol is primary alcohol.